We spent our weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, at a rustic Airbnb, and now we've moved back into a suburban, much kind of larger, nicer Airbnb. We have a front door, there's a window with a dog outside, there's a front door and a front hallway. The downstairs is not for our use, but we have the upstairs. There's a small refrigerator, but there's also a full kitchen downstairs that we can use. So there's a room that's locked off. We have a hallway. We have a large baño with North American style shower, no Brazilian suicide shower. We have a nice large bathroom, hallway, and 2 bedrooms. Bedroom that Mike is in, and another baño, another private baño in here. The water heater is shared in here, I imagine. Wow, who's that? So we have this bedroom, a nice view outside of Paraguay. Paraguay is a very hot, humid jungle. Kind of an industrialized neighborhood. Seemed like lots of factory businesses kind of as we drove over here in the Uber car. And this other bedroom, which seems larger, the fan control, the air conditioning. We haven't figured out how to make this air conditioning go down from 34. The remote seems to not to be working correctly. But yes, this is our nice new Airbnb for at least this week, if not longer. It's a kind of a duplex, very large duplex.